How to take a screenshot in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time. Press together and release like that. Volume up button and power button at the same time and release after press. So this is the way to take screenshot, and the another way is to take screenshot is open Safari browser and open any website you want to take a screenshot, and then simply say, "Hey Siri, take a screenshot." Here you can see Siri can take a screenshot in your phone. Then open your screenshot, and here you can crop your screenshot, you can mark up your screenshot, and then you can save your screenshot, save to files. So this is the way to save your screenshot in iPhone 16 Pro Max and take a screenshot in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.